What's up, you guys? It's your boy K back with another Mick Banger, baby. And today, yes indeed, I'm switching it up on y'all, man. I'm about to try something a little bit different, experiment with the GoPro footage. So after this clip, only thing you about to see is all GoPro footage, man. So if you want to learn how to replace your spark plugs and wires on a car that has a distributor cap, make sure you stay tuned for the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, watch it all the way through, and I'm gonna see y'all at the end. Sorry about the wind noise if you hear any. Let me know what y'all think about the GoPro footage at the end of the video down in the comments below. Let's get into the video. Here we go. Show you guys how to do spark plugs and wires. So here's your wires. Pull this up, and there's your spark plug right in there. You'll see it in a second once I pull it out. Now, you're wondering, what's so special about spark plugs and wires? Well, like I said, these are the wires, and this is a distributor cap. Now, if you take these wires off and you place them in the wrong order, your car will not start, or it will start and it will run pretty funky. So that's why it's very important you do it the right way, and I'm gonna show you how to do that today. So already got this one off here. Go ahead, pull it on out of there, set it to the side. Now let's cover the tools you're gonna need first. Moving along, you're gonna need 3/8 or whatever. I'm using a 3/8 ratchet and a spark plug socket with an extension, so you can get in there and loosen it up. Make sure you got your parts, CarQuest and Autolite, whatever. These are OEM parts, so I'm using those. Lifetime warranty, good investment. So let's get here. First thing you want to do, make sure you got it on. Loosen it and go ahead, loosen it up. Spark plugs shouldn't be super tight when you put them back in, so remember that. Just make them snug. I can take that off, set it to the side, do the rest by hand. And here we go. So it's not really that bad, but it can be replaced. It's not too bad. But main reason I'm switching it is because these last two were giving me Misfire, so I just decided to do all four. So you got your bad one. Go ahead, pop that boy off. Get your new ones. Here's your new one. See how much better this thing looks. It's already pre-gapped. It's good to go. So what you do, take it. Well, take the spark plug, put it inside your socket, just like so you can put it in the motor. You wasn't supposed to drop it down in there, but whatever. So I dropped it, so I just pulled it back out to check it, make sure it wasn't damaged, and it's not. It's good. So just be careful with it. You don't want to hit it up against the wall or drop it hard. Make sure you got it on tighten. Put it back on there. Tighten it down. Remember, just get it snug. That's good enough. Pull your tool off. Now, here's the most important part. You got the wire out the way. Get the new one here. New wire. What I'm gonna do is replace exactly where it was. So put that down on there, run it through here, and go exactly where it was, and just plug it back in. Just like so. Now, once you do that, make sure you press this in all the way. It will make a clamping noise to make sure it's on. and then you're good to go. Now don't worry about these. Be like, well, why is it too long? No, they're all the same size, so don't worry about it. You'll be good. Just go ahead, repeat. Pull this one, take it out of here and there, and pull it off from here. Sit it to the side. Get your tool. Make sure it's in the loosening direction. And loosen up the spark plug. There you go. Looks pretty bad. Get your new spark plug. I usually take the old ones, put it in there in the box. Take your new one, inspect it, make sure it's seated. Go ahead, gently put it down and tighten her up. Make sure you always hand tighten it before you tighten it with your ratchet. Get another plug. Alright, so next thing, go ahead, start her up, get in the car, start her up, and pull off. As you can see, I'm driving right now. Take it for a spin around the corner. Just make sure everything is everything. It should start up, no problem. Should not have any hesitation, anything. That's what the problem was before. It was hesitating and it was misfire. Spark plugs and the wires. Replace those. Now we running like a dream, baby. You hear me? So that's how you do that. That's how you replace the spark plugs and the wires with the distributor cap. You gotta make sure you put them boys exactly where they're supposed to go, or your car will not start. If it do start, it will run funky. So that's pretty much how you do it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and go ahead and watch my other repair videos, or just browse through the channel. So I'm gonna see you next video.